So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can download the TikTok videos without Watermark, or how you can even download all the videos posted on the profile of a TikToker. The app that I'm going to demonstrate in this video does not only download the TikTok videos, but by using this app, you can also download reels and videos from Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, Vimeo, and even more than 900 platforms over the internet. And not only this, you can also trim and download only some portion from any video, extract audio from a video and download it, download multiple videos at once, download videos from the websites which are blocked in your region, and much more using only one single app that I'm going to gift you in this video tutorial. So now for downloading TikTok videos, let's dive into it.